am coming to you today to show you guys how to make my flag stick. You're gonna need three things. You're gonna need a landmarker stick, and you can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot. They're like 99 cents a piece. They're 48 inches long. You can find them around the mailboxes. Most of you already have spare bags of feed, whatever you're feeding to your horses, whatever you have laying around. This is a rice bran bag and electrical tape. Once you have these three things, you are ready to go to work. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna split my bag and I'm going to step on it, get half of my foot on the bag just like this, pull out my handy dandy knife.